guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got a build with me. I don't think we've had one of these for a very long time and this is really exciting. This is a Marvel build with me. This is the Rocket Mech Armour set. This was a gift from my mum. I absolutely love this. I've been wanting this set for a while for my Guardians of the Galaxy shelf. That has actually, if you saw the shelf tour, you would know that will have gone out before this video, so I'll link it up above for you guys to check out. But that has been split into two areas, so I've got my Rocket and Groot area, which this will be going on, and then everyone else is on my other area. Now this comes with 3 things in the box, 2 bags and your instruction leaflet. I cannot wait to get started, so let's go. guys, what did you think? I am absolutely in love with this. You have your little mini figure at the top. He's got a hand here, his shooter, which I believe can possibly actually shoot according to the instructions if you choose it to. The mini figure does come with a little gun, which does make it awkward for him to sit in, so I've tried my absolute best. I am just like in love. There are a few more of these that I would actually like to get. There's a Captain America and a Thor, and they released a Hulk, and the Hulk is like a lush, bright green with lots of purples. It is stunning. This one is going to be a great addition to the shelf. I'd love them to maybe do like a Star-Lord, or even like a Gamora or Nebula or something like that, or a Drax in this style would be nice. But these are always really fun builds and are really, really simple. They don't take that long. All the instructions you need are in here, and they're really easy to follow. So this would be great if you're like a Marvel fan and want to get into Lego but are worried that a big set in the beginning might just be a bit too much. Then this is the perfect addition for you to start off with. This is going to look amazing on my Guardians of the Galaxy shelves in my Rocket and Groot section. I just absolutely love it. The previous Mech Armour that I did was the Black Panther, so I'll link that up above if you guys want to check it out. If you are interested in collecting the whole Mech Armour line. They also, I believe, in this Mech Armour style do a Thanos. I do already have the Iron Man. I think I have posted about that on my Instagram, because I did that on a Lego building day or morning with my boyfriend rather than filming it on camera. I've got 2 other Lego sets coming for you in the new year. Some nice little ones that Mum got me. I haven't got any big sets to film because the biggest set that I have, I've got nowhere to put it at the moment, so I can't really film it and build it, or even just build it and put pictures on Instagram for you guys, because there's nowhere for me to display it, which is really annoying. And it is a really nice set because it's the privet drive. There are lots of Marvel sets, Lego sets that I've actually taken interest in recently. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be able to get some of those in the future and maybe do some videos for you guys. I love the fact that I can bring you Marvel content through Lego, because I have really struggled in the past to bring Marvel content to the channel, and this is a great way to do that, and you all seem to be loving it. You really loved the Black Panther one that I did last time. If you have enjoyed watching me build this Rocket Mech Armour set, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon, guys. Bye!